SQL-like equivalent in Django query. What is the equivalent of this SQL statement in Django? How do I implement this in Django? I tried, but that did not work. How do I implement this?
Use _contains or _I contains, case insensitive. The SQL equivalent is @Dimitri's answer below covers patterns like pattern percent or percent pattern.
Contains and I contains mentioned by false through make queries like select, where headline, like percent pattern percent. Along with them, you might need these ones with similar behavior, starts with, is starts with, ends with, ends with. Making select, where headline like pattern percent. Or select, where headline like percent pattern.
This can be done with Django's custom lookups. I have made the lookup into a Django-like lookup application. After installing it, the _like lookup with the percent and _ wildcards will be enabled. All the necessary code in the application is
Case-insensitive search for string in a field.
If you want to see more